Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create a layered donut chart in Excel. If you see, we have a percentage value over here which is represented by a donut, and the donut is in a three-layered format where you have three layers. One is purple and two of pink. This is a completely dynamic chart. For example, if you change the percentage, the chart automatically updates. So let's go ahead and create this chart. So we have two values here, the percentage and the remaining. The percentage is the value which you enter and remaining is 1 minus this percentage over here. So what you need to do is first you need to go to insert and insert a donut chart. Then what you need to go is select data, and you see the first series what you have added is this series over here. What you need to do is you need to add two more series. So name it as series 2 and select this value over here and do OK. Now once again go here and add series 3 and once again select this and do OK. So if you see here, currently we have three series over here. Let us remove the legends and the chart. Select your chart and do format data series. Go to your fill option and say for border, no line. Let's do it for the other series also. No line. And for the third series also no line. So currently what we have done is we have said no line for all of this. Then go here and select this orange portion and say no fill. Let's do it for the others also. No fill. Just a minute. No fill. And for the third also we say no fill. So currently we have removed the orange fill. What you next need to do is select the first blue portion and give it a color. For example, I have given it a purple color. Then go to Format, in Shape Effects, in Preset, select Preset 2. Select the second series, give it a pink color. Again go to Shape Effects, Preset and Preset 2. Select the third one. Once again we select our purple color and in Shape Effects we say Preset 2. So if you see, we have created our layer chart. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, select this oval shape, press Shift and then start dragging. So when you do this, you will get a circle. Now in the circle, we say no line, and in fill, we can give it a fill color of what we want. And then once again in Shape Effects, in Preset, we are putting it as Preset 2. You can go ahead, edit the text and put the percentage value as 85%. Or you can directly, instead of putting it as 85%, select your shape and link it to your percentage and just increase the font and adjust the positioning of it. I'll just make it this a little lighter. And you can give it a border, shadow, any kind of effects which you want. Let's try updating 65. It updates. So you see, it's a layered format of a donut and it's a 3D format. So this is called as a layered donut chart in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time.